everybody and welcome to the Ship Modelers Library. Today I want to show you a small book, The Good Little Ship by Vincent Gilpin. In this charming book, the author discusses the relative merits of power via sail and the matter of size. He then describes an ideal shoal draft ketch based on the Presto boat designed by Ralph Monroe. The book describes the good little ship in detail and includes 2 sketch plans and a number of photographs. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments section below which book would you like to flip through in the next edition.